And this week's mystery letter is S. Okay, boys and girls, let's begin with a tracing activity for the letter S. We are going to follow the path of the arrow, and we are going to start at the dot. Ready? We curve and curve back, curve forward, curve back, curve forward, curve back. Good job. Now follow my finger. Feel free to trace your own screen. Ready? Start here. Curve forward, curve back. Curve forward, curve back. Very good. All right. When picturing the letter S in your head, try to picture a slide. I drew a kid on a water slide. And the word slide begins with the letter S. You can also visualize a snake for the letter S. The word snake begins with the letter S. Slide and snake. Now it's time for some tracing. I noticed that with the uppercase S, right as I hit the dotted line, I have to change directions and go back. Let's talk about the letter S as a beginning sound. S, sun, S, soda. Scissors. Sloth. String. Scale. Skeletons. Skittles. Spin. Slime. Soap. Six. 7. Now let's read this book about the letter S. On the front is a fuzzy S and a picture of a sun. All right. S. Sun. Socks. Sandwich. Seesaw. Seeds. Saw. Seven. And that's it. And finally, students, I want to give you an optional project to work on. Remember we made the M for macaroni. You guys chose other things, like I saw one student draw mice. That was cute. And then I made A for apples. And you guys could have done anything you want that starts with A. Well, this week I cut out an S and glued spiders and snakes to it. Do you have to do spiders and snakes? No, especially if they creep you out. You could cover it with white powder and say that it's snow, or you could cut up straws. You could sprinkle sand. There are so many words that start with the letter S and so many things that you can glue to your S paper or draw. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Enjoy. And finally, students, your homework for today is to rainbow write the letter S. Try to trace it in many different colors so that it looks like a rainbow at the end. Over, around, and curve. Over, around, and curve. The next page has even more S's on it. You get to underline the big S's and circle the little S's, and then do all kinds of tracing. Down here, color the things that start with the letter S, like the sun. You'll do awesome.